Mr. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to our video 1 of our series, Elevate Your Affiliate Marketing Game in 2024. See, embarking on your affiliate marketing journey begins with a pivotal step, choosing the right product. This isn't just about what's popular, it's about finding products that resonate on a deeper level with your audience. Let's dive into how to select these gems and set the foundation for your success. Imagine a treasure chest brimming with possibilities, overflowing with options that lead to a path of success. Each product, each choice, a stepping stone towards achievement. This isn't fantasy, it's reality. In a world filled with opportunities, it's about seizing the right one. So open the chest, pick your path, and step into the world of success. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's the journey. And your journey to success starts with a single choice. Make that choice today. First and foremost, understanding your audience is key. Who are they? What challenges do they face? What solutions are they seeking? By answering these questions, you can tailor your product selections to meet their needs, creating a strong connection and driving conversions. Picture a marketer, magnifying glass in hand, studying a crowd of diverse individuals. Each thought bubble reveals unique interests and needs. From tech enthusiasts to fashion lovers, every person has a different story. The challenge? Matching the perfect product to these unique needs. It's a puzzle, but with careful examination and strategic thinking, each piece falls into place. The result? Satisfied customers, thriving businesses, and a marketer who successfully cracked the code. It's not magic, it's marketing science. The quality of your chosen products cannot be overstated. A great product not only satisfies, but also exceeds your audience's expectations, which leads to positive reviews, repeat purchases, and personal recommendations. We will show you on how to scrutinize for quality, ensuring you promote products you can stand behind. In a world where quality matters, every detail counts. It's a scene of scrutiny where durability, user satisfaction, and brand reputation are put under the microscope. Imagine the precision, the focus, the commitment. Each product, a story waiting to be told. Each review, a testament to its worth. Picture the badges of honor, the top-rated seals of approval. Visualize the smiles, the nods, the satisfied customers. It's a narrative of excellence, an ongoing journey to find the best. This is the art of product analysis. Alignment with your values is crucial. Promoting products that resonate with what you stand for not only feels good, but also strengthens your brand, whether it's sustainability, innovation, or affordability. Let's find products that echoes high principles. In the digital marketing realm, a marketer stands at a crossroads. Paths diverge, each marked with a distinct value. One whispers sustainability, another echoes innovation, and yet another murmurs affordability. Choices, choices. The marketer, a compass in their heart, takes a step. The path they choose aligns with their core, and a world of suitable products unfolds. It's a journey, a dance with values and virtues. In this digital landscape, the path you tread defines the tale you tell, and so the story unfolds in the heart of marketing. Navigating market demand and competition is a balancing act. High demand is good, but too much competition can be a hurdle. We'll guide you through assessing the market to identify opportunities where you can truly shine. In the bustling marketplace, striking the perfect balance between demand and competition is key. Products scattered across the graph, each representing a unique story. Some drowning in a sea of competition, others starving in the desert of demand. But watch for the glowing ones. They've found the sweet spot, a harmonious blend of high demand and low competition. These are the golden opportunities. Like a beacon, they shine, guiding the way to potential success. Remember, in the marketplace, balance is not just key, it's the golden ticket. Last but not least, testing and gathering feedback is a step you simply can't afford to skip. This real-world insight allows you to fine-tune your approach, ensuring the products you promote are genuinely the best fit for your audience. In the dynamic world of marketing, it's all about the feedback loop. Imagine a marketer launching a small-scale product test. This isn't just a release into the wild. No, it's a calculated move, a strategic play. Then comes the collection phase, gathering audience reactions through surveys and comments. Every word, every sentiment, a valuable nugget of insight. And the final act, adjusting the product based on this treasure trove of input. It's a dance, a cycle, an unending loop. And so the marketer's journey continues, fueled by the power of customer feedback. In conclusion, choosing the right product in affiliate marketing isn't just about what sells, it's about what sustains and grows your relationship with your audience. With these strategies, you're well on your way to building a trustworthy and profitable affiliate marketing business. For more insights, go to freedomlifebusiness.com. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now. See you in the next episode. In the hustle of the marketplace, smart choices make champions. Picture this, a savvy marketer, a podium, a trophy shaped like a product. It's not just a victory, it's a symbol of success built on thoughtful product selection. As the crowd roars, it's clear, knowledge, intuition, and strategy bring the gold. Remember, in the marketplace, the trophy goes to those who understand their product and their audience. No shortcuts, just smart choices. This is the game of marketing. Will you play?